What causes an engine to misfire? Be caused by a few things. Number one, if it needs a tune-up, meaning it needs spark plugs, it needs the new wires that go to the spark plugs. It might need what they call coils, which are attached to the spark plug. That's what give the spark plugs the energy to fire. Any of those things can cause that. The other thing is a fuel delivery problem, meaning that the fuel pump in the vehicle is not giving the vehicle enough fuel. There's not enough pressure coming from that pump, and so it's misfiring because it doesn't have enough fuel. And the other area is air. There's several air control systems on the modern vehicles, and it could be something as simple as a plugged air filter, or it could be something that's regulating how much air is going into the vehicle that is not operating properly. And so the air situation could be causing it to misfire. So there's several things that can cause an engine to misfire, and the only way you're really going to know that is by having somebody check it out and find out why it's misfiring. If there's a check engine light, it'll give some sort of a code to give direction. It won't tell them exactly what's going on, but it'll give them some direction. And typically they'll have to do other tests to figure out exactly why it's misfiring.